So I usually pick a spot to start. And this needle obviously is already threaded. I've already got a knot in it. I come up through the back. If I were working in a spot where I wanted the back to stay clean, you can kind of sneak it in off to the side here, and then you won't see the knot on the back. But I'm not concerned about the back, so I'm just going to come right up through, all the way through, make sure my knot holds before I put any sequins or beads. And then I'm going to grab a sequin from my little stash here. So you're going to put the sequin on, and you want the cup side up. So if you look at it from the side, kind of hard to tell, but cup side up, and then I'm going to grab a little clear bead. Bead goes on. I'm going to slide it all the way down. And then to secure it, you're going to bypass the bead and just go back through the sequin. So I'm going around the bead, down through the eye of the sequin, and pull it snug. And then I'm going to do the same thing. The idea is to put a sequin on every dot. There's times where I don't love the spacing of the dots and I add more sequins. Sometimes I add less sequins. It's just the way it goes. So, sequin, cup side up, clear bead. Remember, clear beads for every color except red sequins. All the way down. And there is a little bit of wiggle room here if you don't like the placement of the sequins wherever you came up. So you can kind of pull it. Obviously I don't want to tack it down there, but you can slide it over. You can slide it closer to the sequin you want, and it'll pretty much hold there. And then according to the diagram, this sequin here is going to be a dark blue sequin. So I'm going to grab another color, cup side down, clear bead. And then just keep going around like that. And then for these outside sequins, because they're white, I'm going to do all of the blue first all the way around, and then switch to a white thread, and then do the white sequins all the way around.